In today's episode, we will count down the top 5 most unexpected dangerous animals. Many animals are very cute and cuddly.
I'm taking a video.
All you want to do is hug them. But some of these cute animals have an unexpected, dangerous dark side. Here are the top 5 most unexpected, dangerous animals. 5. Pandas. Pandas are some of the cutest animals in the world. What can be more cute than a big cuddly teddy bear? But don't let this big black and white teddy bear fool you. It is cute as long as it's behind bars. It can snap in a moment and unleash an inner beast. Lucky for this guy, the panda only wanted to try on his jacket. 4. Roadrunner. We all know the Roadrunner, the famous cartoon bird, known for tricking Coyote. But this funny character is a total different animal in real life. It loves snacking on venomous snakes, scorpions, and other deadly animals. Bon appetit, big boy. 3. Turtles. Turtles are not the first animal that comes to mind when thinking dangerous. But some species of turtle are not as cuddly as you would think. In fact, they can be surprisingly dangerous. Two, geese. People like to refer to geese as a fluffy, clumsy animal, the clown of the farm. But don't be fooled by this bad boy. It can be highly aggressive, especially if it's protecting its babies. One, pelicans. So you're thinking to yourself, what can be so dangerous about this bird? All it does is pluck fish out the water. Wrong. This friendly looking bird is a cannibal. When hungry, it's not too picky with the menu. It snatches up pigeons and other birds and swallows them alive.